Hi, welcome to the channel NCERT Maths Tutor. In today's video, let us discuss exercise 5.5, question number 3 and 4 solution. Log x to the power cos x. We have to differentiate this. This we can differentiate by applying the logarithmic differentiation. So first let us take this given function as y is equal to log x to the power cos x. Next, after this, we have to take log on both sides. So we get here log y is equal to log x to the power cos x. When we take here log on both sides, for this we can apply this logarithmic property. Log m to the power n is equal to n log m. Here we have log. This m we can take as log x and then n we can take as cos x. So if you apply this property, here we get n. n is nothing but cos x. So cos x log m. m is nothing but here log x. So cos x log x. After applying the logarithmic property, next step is we have to differentiate this. So differentiate this with respect to x. So we get here d by dx of log y is equal to d by dx of cos x into log x. Derivative of log y is 1 by y. Then we are differentiating here with respect to x. So we have to write dy by dx. 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to. Next, for this you can apply the product rule. Here this you can take as one value and this you can take as another value. So two functions we have. The product rule is, suppose if we have two function u and v, then the derivative of u and v we can find like this way. First write the first function as it is, find the derivative of second function, plus write the second function as it is, find the derivative of the first function. Here we can take this as first function u and this as second function v. So here we get, after applying the product rule, cos x, first function we have to write as it is, derivative of the second function, so d by dx of log x, plus write the second function as it is, log x, d by dx of first function, that is cos x. 1 by y dy by dx is equal to cos x. Derivative of log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Here we have log x. So in the place of log x we have log x. So this derivative we can write as 1 divided by log x. Then further here you have to apply the chain rule. You need to find the derivative of log x. So d by dx of log x. See, here we have log 2 times. So log of log x. So this first we are taking as x value. So we get here 1 by log x, because derivative of log x is 1 by x. Then further we need to find the derivative of this, plus log x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. 1 by y dy by dx is equal to cos x divided by log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x minus log x. Then minus sin x we have, write this together. So we get minus sin x into log x. Then take this y to the right hand side. So this y will come in the numerator. We get dy by dx is equal to y into cos x divided by, multiply this with this. So x log x minus sin x into log x. Now you replace this y with the original function value. The original function is log x to the power cos x. So write that here, dy by dx is equal to log x to the power cos x, that is the y value, into cos x divided by x log x minus sin x into log x. Now next let us move to the next problem, fourth problem. And if you want the more videos of this chapter, you can click the I button above. Question number 4, x to the power x minus 2 to the power sin x. Here, in this case also, we have to apply the logarithmic differentiation. But you can see we have the function which is in the form function to the power function. There are two functions here. So that's why first we separately find the logarithmic differentiation for each function here. So let us take now y is equal to x to the power x minus 2 to the power sin x. Now put one function as u, so u is equal to x to the power x and v is equal to 2 to the power sin x. So this I am taking as u and this I am taking as v. Then here we get y is equal to x to the power x we have taken as u, so u minus v is 2 to the power sin x, so minus p. Next to differentiate this, we get dy by dx is equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. Let us name this as equation 1. Next here we need to find the derivative of each of these functions. So first I am taking here u is equal to x to the power x because we need here derivative of u as well as v. So first let us take this. So let u is equal to x to the power x. Here first take log on both sides. So we get log u is equal to log x to the power x. Next, here you can apply the property. Suppose if you have log m to the power n, we write that as n log m. So here we have log x to the power x, which we can write after applying this property x log x. After applying the logarithmic property, next step is we have to differentiate this. So here we get d by dx of log u is equal to d by dx of x log x. Derivative of log u is 1 by u, that is derivative of log x is 1 by x. So derivative of log u is 1 by u. Then we are differentiating here with respect to x. So we have u variable here. So you have to write along with this u du by dx is equal to. Then here we have two functions, first function and second function. That means you have to apply the product rule. So about product rule we have discussed in last question. So first write the first function as it is. Find the derivative of the second function. So x into d by dx of log x plus write the second function as it is. Find the derivative of the first function. So d by dx of x. Here this is the first function and this is the second function. Then 1 by u into du by dx is equal to x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into derivative of x is 1. Next, take this u to the right hand side. So this u will come in the numerator. We get du by dx is equal to u into, here we have x in the numerator and x in the denominator, which we can cancel. So we get here 1 plus log x. Du by dx, now replace this u with the original value. At the beginning we have taken u as x to the power x. So write that du by dx is equal to x to the power x into 1 plus log x. Now let us name this as equation 2. Next here we need the derivative of v. So that's why I am taking here this function. So let us take now v is equal to 2 to the power sin x. Here the first step is we have to take log on both sides. So we get log v is equal to log 2 to the power sin x. Log v is equal to, see here we have log 2 to the power sin x. Suppose you have log m to the power n, we write that as n into log m. Here we have log 2 to the power sin x, which we can write as sin x into log 2. Next step is we have to differentiate this with respect to x. So we get here d by dx of log v is equal to d by dx of sin x into log 2. Next here find the derivative of log b. So log b derivative is 1 by v, then dv by dx as we are differentiating with respect to x. Next here we have sin x into log 2. So we have two functions, that means we have to use product rule. So we get sin x into derivative of log 2 plus log 2 into derivative of sin x. That is nothing but the product rule. Next step, 1 by v into dv by dx is equal to sin x. Derivative of log 2 is 0. It is a constant, plus log 2 into derivative of sin x is cos x. Next, move this v to the right hand side. So that will come in the numerator. Dv by dx is equal to v into, this is 0 only. So v into log 2 cos x. In the place of v, write the original function. V is equal to 2 to the power sin x. In the next step, substitute the value of equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. We have got the derivative of v as well as derivative of u. You have to substitute this value in equation 1. The equation 1 is dy by dx is equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. Here we have to substitute the value of this and this. So dy by dx is equal to derivative of u, we got this. So x to the power x into 1 plus log x minus derivative of v is this one. So 2 to the power sin x into log 2 cos x. So this is about question number 3 and 4 solution. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Also click the bell icon to get regular notification. Thanks for watching.